Hey there everyone, today I'm here to guide you through the process of toggling the press to use microphone function in CS2. Let's dive right in. So, to kick things off, fire up CS2 on your computer. Then locate and click the gear icon situated in the upper left corner of your screen. This action will bring up the settings menu. After that, navigate to the audio tab. Here, you'll spot the voice/microphone mode section. If you're keen on activating the press to use microphone feature, simply click on the checkbox next to this option and opt for push to talk. Now, whenever you want to communicate with your teammates, just press the designated key. Conversely, if you wish to deactivate it, just visit this spot and select disabled. Oh, and if you fancy tweaking the assigned key for push to talk, switch over to the keyboard/mouse tab. From there, click on Communication Options. Here, you'll find the Use Microphone option. Click on the checkbox beside it and press the desired key for assignments. And that's a wrap. That's the lowdown on enabling or disabling the press to use microphone function and altering the keybind for it in CS2. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.